Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to share with you today a technique that I use all the time. You can use this to connect to your power. You can also use this to help you ground if you feel out of balance, out of whack. You can use this to balance your energy. Super useful, and what I love about it is it's super easy. So here we go. All right, so now the first thing you're going to do is just kind of move your body a little bit. If you want to be standing, that works great. We don't always have that luxury, but right now, barefoot, you can use your toes to kind of like wiggle in, kind of set in. And what I like to do here is just imagine yourself as a tree. Your feet are the roots. And what I like to do is kind of wiggle my toes, kind of move those, pretend like they're growing into the ground, or imagine like they're going into the ground, moving through the dirt, and connecting deep into Mother Earth. Down, 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 deep, deep into the soil. We're going to go through the parts of this, and then we're going to incorporate the breath into this. All right, and then after that, we're going to draw that energy up, that loving, supporting energy of Mother Earth up, up, up into our body, into our heart. And then the next step is pushing that out through the top of our head, through the crown, connecting to Source, connecting to God, and then drawing that energy back in, back into the heart, and then on the exhale, back down into the ground. Okay, so let's try this with the breath now. Okay, on the exhale, down, down into Mother Earth. On the inhale, drawing up that energy. I can imagine almost like the roots, like veins, pumping that energy up into us. And then out, up, 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 connecting, allowing that light, almost like a pillar of light, to come in as we breathe in, and then back out again. Down to Mother Earth. Draw that energy back up. Let that grow in your heart. What you're doing is you're building that energy in your heart that's growing and growing, growing. Back out to Source. Drawing that back down into you. Back down into Mother Earth. Drawing it back up, up, up. And then out again. And then drawing that back in. One extension of this now is that you can actually use this to release anything that doesn't serve you. And then as you release that back down into the earth, anything that doesn't serve you, you can send that back out to Mother Earth as excess energy that anything else can use. And then as that light grows within you, this is your own divine light. This just amplifies it, fortifies it, so to speak. If you are having trouble with this, just know that your intention is huge in this. So you may be feeling this, you may be sensing this. Not everyone's very visual, so just doing it in your own way. If you're still having trouble with this, or if you're able to do this and then all of a sudden sometimes you feel blocked, it's usually a sign of some type of interfering energy. Maybe you're too much in your head. This will help you to get out of that. Maybe you have to do this a little bit longer. Or you may have some interfering energy that's kind of getting in the way, and this is a good sign of that. So I do have a video for that, and I'll post that at the end here. So you can do that if you're feeling something's in the way there. All right, thank you for watching, and I'd love to know your comments on this one. So we'll see you on the next video.